Welcome back, wonderful people. Today's day 5 of this 21 days challenge for abundance from Deepak Chopra. And as you know now, I've been following this journey and I've been documenting it for you, giving you feedback and telling you what I like and what I don't. If you've been following the previous videos, you know that I am a huge fan of the meditation sessions, but not quite a big fan of the exercises. I am not sure what today is gonna bring, but day 1 and day 2, I really love the exercises that they gave. Day 3, it was a nightmare, basically, but I'm very happy. I didn't update you on that actually. So for day 3, I had to create a group and basically give them the meditations and the challenges daily. But one of the rules is if you don't complete the meditation and the exercise within 24 hours, that's it. You have to be cut from the group. So, because I really don't like involving other people in my personal choices and I don't like creating groups, I decided to do it adding only my family, my immediate family. So it was the 5 of us. I gave the first challenge, they waited 24 hours, none of them did it. They all talked about it, but none of them actually took action. So I'm very happy, I just eliminated all of them and done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So if you, just like me, you don't like involving other people, I would recommend cheating the system and creating a group with friends of yours or family that you know will not complete the challenge. That was my... I know that was kind of sneaky of me, but it is what it is. I had to survive these 21 days. So the exercise for day 4 was to write down my expenses. And today's day 5. Let's see what we have to do. For day 5, the exercise is to draw on a piece of paper bills and credit cards or whatever, maybe checks, whatever we are going to use in order to pay for the expenses that we wrote down yesterday. So this gives you a chance to create the opportunity to pay those expenses. I wish I could actually pay with this drawn piece of paper, but I can't. I don't know how I feel about this exercise either, to be honest. I don't know. I really don't know. I hope one day I will look back and say, it all makes sense now. But right now, as for right now, and this is day 5, I love day 1 and day 2, but 3, 4, and now 5, I'm really not getting the point. Maybe it's me, maybe, I don't know. If you guys are doing the same challenge, please let me know. And if you know who designed these exercises, because right now I feel like there's such a huge gap between the exercise and the meditation. The meditation is so deep and so intense and so beautiful, and the exercise is something that leaves me kind of there. It's becoming almost funny. Anyways, let's do it. Enough talking. So as usual, I have my notebook, the one where I'm noting down everything from this challenge, and I'm gonna draw them now. You know what I'm gonna do? I never use bills that are more than 20 Canadian dollars because I never came across bigger bills than that. So I'm gonna draw a big one. I'm gonna draw 200. And then I'm going to do 500 euros, which is my favorite bill that I never came across. Because I'm European, if you couldn't tell. I'm so terrible in drawing this morning. Usually I'm pretty good. I put a lot of effort and details. I will have researched. I will have done a lot of things. I'm gonna write a nice check as well. Let's do $3,000. $3,000. I mean, this is the exercise for abundance. I could have wrote like $1 million, but I'm ready. Let's try $1 million. $1 million. Maybe one day I'll have it. Who knows? Perfect. So exercise is done. I don't feel like it made me any richer. But it was cute. Come on, let's be real. It was cute. And now we're going to jump into meditation. The link of today's meditation is going to be down in the description box, so you can follow it daily together with me. Let's get started. As usual, the meditation doesn't let me down, and today's meditation was focused on embracing our potential to be, do, and have whatever we can dream of. This is fundamental because sometimes we forget how many gifts we have and how many things this world and life can offer. Because we forget, we don't see them. And this is something that I'm noticing in the new generation as well. I see kids growing up and not believing in their potential simply because nobody told them that they can be really whatever they do if they put their hard work and effort. And I think that today's meditation, it rang the bell within me, because I too quite often actually forget that I can still dream and I can have not just material things, but also something deeper and more subtle than that. And the mantra that we repeated today was the same as meditation day 3, I believe. So it was Sat Chit Ananda, existence, consciousness, bliss. And I remember day 3, I struggled sitting in meditation. And I believe it's because of my energy was a bit off that day. Today was definitely a lot different. I felt very calm, and I think it's also because of how we explained the first part of meditations. He gave great tools on how to visualize what you want. He gives the tools on visualizing in as much details as you possibly can, and then surrender to the universe and to this energy, and believing and trusting that the universe will align everything else for you. You also have to take action. You cannot just visualize and then sit on your bed and do nothing for the rest of the day and, oh, I want to be a millionaire, but then you sit on your bed all day waiting for money to fall on you. You also have to put the work. And it's not just about the money, I'm talking also about everything else in life. I really enjoyed this. I'm excited for day 6. Especially for the exercise. I'm hoping to understand more and more these exercises, because right now I'm not getting it. I'm a bit struggling with it, but eventually it will make sense. I'm trusting this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below so we can share our thoughts and opinion on these meditation and exercises. And we can go through these 21 days sharing how we feel and what we're experiencing. And if you haven't seen the previous 4 videos at this point, please go ahead and do so that you know what we're talking about and what we're doing here. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye.